प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितम् श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे श्रीराधिकाचरणोदयम् गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनो मनोरम भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my prostrated obeisance to the lotus feet of my beloved spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Thakur. Grand Spiritual Master, His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, as well as I offered the same to all appointed Acharya of four Vaishnava Sampradaya, as Sri Brahma Rudra Shanak and all pure devotees. And humbly begging from them to please bestow your mercy to carry the loving mission of Lord Chaitanya rest of my life with purity. I forget actually yesterday what I spoke. No? Most probably I remember that I explained about my Gurudeva's writings about Gadadhar Pandita's separation for Lord Chaitanya's disappearance day. A disappearance. I forget it. And so Nidra hare jatna nai, separation, such a manner connected with us to the object of our service. Whenever we feel separation for object of service, it's going to be like this. Nidra hare jatna nai. Sleeping, eating, we don't care for that. Sada kahe kaha jai. Eternally, always says where to go and where I can find my Gauranga. Means how Radharani lamented while Krishna left Mathura, they never come back. How Radharani felt separation after Gauranga's disappearance. Godadhar also felt same separation. এখনো নির্লজ্জ পানি কেন রহে নাহি জানি কি বা সুখ চাহে ভঞ্জিবারে अभी भी still now all the living entities, they become shameless. They don't know what is the purpose. Their purpose to be here in the material world. What type of happiness they are expecting. ক্ষণে ক্ষণে মূর্ছা যায় হইলা পাগলের প্রায় বক্ষে শিরে করাঘাত করে time to time they faint. Who? Gadadhar Pandit. Why? Because of this Gauranga Mahaprabhu separation. Hoila pagoler pray and become like crazy. Bokkhe shire kora ghat kore and hitting with the fist on his own chest. কি দোষে আমারে নাদ সঙ্গ দিতে দিলাবাদ সঙ্গ হইতে দিলাবাদ What is my actual fault, O Lord? Please let me know. Why you keep me away from your association? কেন মোরে নাহি নীলাসাদ? Why you are not taking me with you? The separation. Our entire practice based on separation. This separation we have, we can accumulate when we establish relation. And relation, if you really want to establish, then you have to render service. No service, no relation, no relation, no separation, no separation, no test of devotion. So anyway, in that way, Gadadhar Pandit felt separation, and my spiritual master's vision, he composed accordingly. Then kiba bole kiba kare, কিবা চাহে চাহে ফিরে কে বরণে সে দিব্য উন্মাত্তা what he says, what he is doing, what he want, why he is looking everyone all over, four side, 4 dimension, he always looking. What he look? কে বরণে সে দিব্য উন্মাত্তান Who can say is a real spiritual unmad means craziness, spiritually crazy. How? When outwardly look, when people have extreme separation, they are moved like this. Means they don't know what they are doing. They are always searching, eagerly searching to reach their object of worship. That time we can have such mood. Like you can see that sometimes people sometimes are like mundane way. If you look, some boy like girl like boy, when they split, they become crazy. Just look, mundane relation make you crazy. Spiritual relation more strong. When the object of worship physically disappeared, then worshipper become crazy like this. So Gadadhar Pandit, his object of worship to Gopinath, and movie Gopinath was Lord Gauranga. But Gauranga disappeared. Simultaneously, three places. One, he entered in Jagannath temple, never come back. And again he entered, same time, the devotee saw, he entered to Tota Gopinath, he never come back. And he walked on the Mahabodhi ocean. Same time, three incidents happened. So therefore, after that, so physically, Lord Gauranga disappeared. Therefore, Gadadhar lamenting like this way. Gadadhar anugato hoiyache jahar chito tiha buje kichu marmotar. Whoever following the footsteps of Gadadhar, they are eligible to understand Gadadhar's heart at present, in present condition. Little bit. Not fully, little bit they are able to understand his actual separation, actual mood of his pang of separation. Bhagavad Slokakhor Chokhu Jol Nirantar Bhasaite Premon Motto Hoya. Bhagavat of Slokaksha means whenever he read Bhagavat, all the Sanskrit text, his tear, his actually eyes become full of tear, coming constantly tear. Bhasaite Premon Motto Hoya. And floating everyone on the love, means loving relation with God. Actually, fact is, Gadadhar Pandit used to read Bhagavatam every day, not like an intimate relation with Lord, the Radha Krishna's Rasa Lila, not like that. Only he used to read Prahlad, Dhruva, Ambarish, such type of important devotees, whatever first 9 cantos of Srimad Bhagavatam discuss in their book, just he used to read. And Lord Chaitanya used to come and listen. Shuni Godayere Pad Gauranger Premonad Shukhe Purna Gopinather Hiya. Shuni Gadadharer Pad means, so Lord Chaitanya, whenever he listened the Gadadhar's Srimad Bhagavatam discourses, Lord Gauranga become ecstasy with love. He got loving ecstasy too. Shukhe Purna Gopinather Hiya. And Sukhe Purno, full of happiness because of the Gopinath. Because Gadadhar Pandit used to stay in Tota Gopinath campus. You know, Gadadhar Pandit, because of Gadadhar Pandit, Gopinath sit. He was standing tall, and it was very difficult for Gadadhar Pandit to offer garland to Lord because he was old, he became old, and he was not able to offer garland properly. So one day, Gadadhar says to Tota Gopinath, Gopinath, if we become, you can sit or bend down, then I am able to offer garland what I made for you. So there is in Bengal people say, for Madhavendra Puripad, Gopinath still sweet rice. And for Gadadhar Pandit, Gopinath, from his standing pose to sitting pose. This is Tota Gopinath. You can see Tota Gopinath just like a little bit bent, like a lotus sitting pose. শুনি গদাধর পাঠ প্রেমনমত্ত শ্রীনিবাস আসি গদাধর পাস নিরখিলা জবে পুঁথিখানি Srinivas, devotees, when Gadadhar reading and constantly fall tear, when Srinivas came and took the book Srimad Bhagavatam from Gadadhar, কাঁদিয়া আকুল হইলা পুনঃ পুনঃ আলিঙ্গিলা মহাপ্রেম রত্না কর জানি. Then extreme manner Gadadhar was crying and holding that puna puna alingya, means embracing that books. Mahape prema ratna karo jani. The book Srimad Bhagavatam is Maha, means great, loving, diamonds, means it's a great loving book. This is fact. Srimad Bhagavatam representing only bhakti. Bhakti means pure love. হেন প্রেম নিধি গদাই যাহার তুলনা নাই সাক্ষাৎ যেই রাধা ঠাকুরানী. Such loving ocean is Gadadhar Pandit. We cannot compare with others. His loving relation with Gauranga, we are not able to compare with others. How we are not able to compare with Radharani and Krishna's relation? No one can equal of Radharani. Similarly, no one is equal with Gadadhar. Therefore, my Gurudev wrote, হেন প্রেম নিধি গদাই যাহার তুলনা নাই. There is no comparison. Gadadhar's loving ocean of love for Gauranga. Then my Gurudev says, Sakshat Jai Radha Thakurani. Why? Because Radha's love and Gadadhar's love are same. Because they are same. Radha's love no one can compare. So Sakshat Jai Radha Thakurani. Gadadhar is and Radharani is non-different. No difference. Gadadhar and Radha Thakurani. तिहो मोरे कोइला कृपा जानी गुरु गौर सेवा. Now Gurudev explaining, he just give me little bit mercy on and I am rendering by their mercy, I am rendering Guru Gaura Seva, Guru Gauranga's service. Namo prem dhone hoibo dhoni. Namo prema dhone means I will accumulate wealth of holy name, chanting holy name, and gradually get love and become spiritually rich. That is my spiritual master expressing that. That is, no, everybody should keep such type of vision. We want to be spiritually rich, not materially rich. You know, this in our Vaishnava tradition, we consider that person is rich who has sound faith on Lord. How much we have faith on Lord and Lord's name to chant, that much we are rich. So therefore, Namo Preme Dhone Hoibo Dhoni. So try to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and become spiritually rich and accumulate lots of spiritual wealth. What is most important for all of us. Bajjo Besho Bhusha Heri Vaishnava Chinite Nari Sikhailo Adarsha Achari. You know, this we are not able to recognize who is Vaishnava or who is Vaishnava, we are not able to recognize just to see their outfit. Even there is explanation, Vaishnav Chinitanara Devera Sakati. Even the God and Goddesses, they are unable to recognize who is real Vaishnava. So therefore my spiritual master say, Bajjo Besho Bhusha Heri. Means outside, if you look the outfit of Vaishnava, it is very difficult. It is impossible to recognize Vaishnava. That example actually Gadadhar Pandit himself. Why? Pundariko sthane bhikkha kori nila mantra diksha jaha shuni aparadho tori. Means Pundarik, Pundarik Vidyanidhi, he was, and he is Guru of Gadadhar Pandit. How Gadadhar Pandit accept him as his Guru? Because he felt that he committed offense to the lotus feet of Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Pundarik Vidyanidhi actually in previous life he was Vishwabhanu Maharaj rather than his father. But once Lord Chaitanya was lamenting in the name of Pundarik Vidyanidhi, such manner like, oh my father Pundarik, when I am able to meet with you. Such type of expression and lamented. Then Gadadhar Pandit felt desire to meet with Pundarik. Who is this person? Who is Lord Chaitanya chanting his name and lamenting to meet with him. So therefore, he has strong desire. So as soon as after a few days, Pundarik Vidyanidhi reached Navadvip from Bangladesh, present Bangladesh. At that time, Gadadhar Pandit had desired to go and meet with him. And Mukunda assisted him. Mukunda knew about his mind condition, Gadadhar Pandit's mind condition. So similar, as soon as they reached together in the place of Gadadhar Pandit, actually Pundarik Vidyanidhi, then he saw Pundarik Vidyanidhi's outfit, so luxury, bed luxury, everything luxury. And top of that, he's smoking hookah and chewing betel leaves, which is not applicable for Vaishnava practice. So therefore he was totally confused and he was thinking that how he become Vaishnava, or why Lord Chaitanya crying for him. This seems like he is not a Vaishnava. So at that time Mukunda realized it. And then he chanted this Oi Boku, that's Sanskrit text, where Vasudev explained the Lord Krishna's mercy, how much he became merciful to deliver Putana. Putana came to kill Lord with poison, but Lord delivered her. So that sloka, when Mukundo chanted, and the Karuna revealed in the heart of Pundarik Vidyanidhi, and he felt ecstasy, loving ecstasy for Lord, and he threw everything. He don't care about all the opulence. To see such situation, Gadadhar Pandit now realized he made mistake. Because he saw only outfit, and he decided he is not a Vaishnava. Sometimes we are also decided, we are also looking Vaishnava, what is the Vaishnava? Nowadays Vaishnava means he should keep at least minimum 10,000-20,000 disciples. All disciples should be fully surrendered to him, follow his footsteps, and opulence, accommodation, everything opulence car. Then we accept he is a great guru, great Vaishnava. But previously it was not like that. Vaishnava means full of renown, full of dedication. So Pundarik Vidyanidhi, when he came to Navadvip, he was fully luxury, and Gadadhar Pandit idea was different about Vaishnava practice. Therefore he thought bad about Pundarik. But when he saw Pundarik's loving ecstasy of Pundarik, then he felt he committed offense. Then he went to Lord Chaitanya, and Lord Chaitanya tell him that if you really want to free from your offense, you have to go and take initiation from him. Therefore, my Gurudev wrote, Pundarika sthane bhikkha kori nilo mantra diksha. After the incident, Gadadhar Pandit came to Pundarik and begged to give him initiation. Kori nilo mantra diksha jaha suni aparadho tori. If we just listen such pastime, all the offenses will pass away fully. Gadair Gaur Prem Jano Jammu Nodohem. Gadadhar's loving attachment with Lord Gauranga is like in this island, this India is India situated on Jammu Deep, the 7 islands around the universe, around the world, around the universe. The Jammu Deep one island, the India is there. There is a Nodhem, means state, one river. There is 2 words, Nod and Nodi. Nodi means river, Nod means river, but Nodi always zigzag manner going ahead. And Nod, straightway. Jammu Nodo Hem. Hem means gold. The gold, liquid gold river. Gadadhar's loving attachment towards Gauranga. Ki bujibo mui or bachin. How can I understand such loving relation between Gadadhar Pandit and Gauranga Mahaprabhu, because I am completely unqualified, or baching, completely unqualified. বিষয়ে আসক্ত চিত্ত কাম ক্রোধে সদাহত. My heart, my consciousness always searching how to get more enjoyment. But don't think my Gurudev was like that. My Gurudev actually, out of his humility, he wrote this. His heart never hankering to get enjoyment. He fully dedicated for the service of Gauranga mission. But he, out of humility, he wrote, Vishaye ashakto chitto kramo kodhe sadahato. My heart, my mind, my consciousness, too much attachment, have attached with sense enjoyment desire, and have lot of material desire, have lot of anger, constantly I am angry, a lot of material desire. Krishnendriya priti vanchahin. There is no desire for Krishna's gratification. That's right. But don't think my Gurudev like this. My spiritual master fully dedicated for the service of Radha Gopinath. Radha Gopinath. Gaur Gadadhar Radha Gopinath is the ultimate deity for us. Why? Radha Gopinath is a deity for prem, pure love for Krishna. Gopinath Padmasane Boshiratna Singhasane Jar Sevaloye no Satoto. Gopinath, he was originally standing pose. Now he is sitting as a lotus form. You can see he was sitting like this. Padmasane, Boshiratna Singhasane, where there is Singhasana made with Ratna, means diamond, very shiny Singhasana. Jaro Sevaloyan Satoto. Because Gadadhar used to serve Gopinath, Tota Gopinath in Jagannath Puri. So therefore, my Gurudev wrote, Jaharo Seva Loyan Satoto, constantly whose service Gopinath accepting. Whose service? Gadadhar said. Which Gadadhar? Radharani. Radharani always accepting service. Gopinath always, but Krishna always accepting service from Radharani. Similarly, here Gopinath accepting service constantly from Gadadhar. Gadadhar is Radharani. Hano Gadadhar Seva না করিলে নিষিদিবা বল কিসে হইবে ঘৃত. If we are not serving, we are not keeping serving attitude as Gadadhar, how we are able to make our life perfect. Hita means actually how we can get spiritual benefit, how we are able to be free from best way. Bolo kise hoibe khito. How we are able to make our life auspicious, best way. Gadadhara Pranonad Honumor Gopinath गदाई कृपाए तहारे पाए. My Gurudev says, Gadadhar is my life and soul, Paranath. Therefore you can see, he established Gaur Gadadhar Radha Gopinath temple, Gaur Gadadhar Radha Gopinath deity in his temple at Mayapur. You can see my Gurudev says, Gadadharo Pranonath, Hanumor Gopinath. Gadadhar is my life and soul. Hanumor Gopinath. As well as my Gopinath too. Life and soul. Gopinath and Gadadhar is called Radha Gopinath. Gadai kripa hai tahare pai. By the grace of Gadadhar, I am able to get the relation of Radha Gopinath. Tiyo kripa koile more, Gopinath ghare phire. Tiyo binu ar gotinai. If they are bestowing mercy to me, then I am able to reach Gopinath's home, Golok Vrindavan. Tihobinu ar gotina, I have no any other way to go. I want only Gopinath's service. Gadai Gauranga Jaya Jaya Radha Gopinath. All glories to Gaur Gadadhar. All glories to Radha Gopinath. Kipa kori e adhame karo atmoshan. Please accept me as your eternal servant. This is written by my spiritual master. When? This is 1950. While my spiritual master was in his near to home, not exactly home, in village town, a native village, you can say that. When he was in native village, there is a temple inside native village, not in his home. Because he took sannyas at that time. We already have sannyasi. His name is Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj at that time. Therefore he cannot, this is tradition is this, after sannyas, no one can visit their own birthplace. Like myself, whenever I go to my native village, I never ever visit to my birthplace. Surrounding I am going, but never go my own birthplace. This is the sannyas bhav, etiquette. So anyway, so this is the very nice song, intimate relation, my spiritual master and Gaur Gadadhar, Radha Gopinath. I already explained you, my spiritual master has special connection with Gaur Gadadhar. I think I explained you yesterday or day before yesterday how Gadadhar came to him and complained about our Pujari. Pujari unable to realize how Gurudev know about it, what I did inside the temple while I am keeping temple window, temple door, everything closed. How Gurudev know about it? Then, exactly Gurudev say what he did inside temple. Means he just pushed Gadadhar with unfaithful manner with his left elbow. So, what happened? When that Pujari left, means fact is this. Pujari, as soon as during his Shingar, means changing outfit of Gaur Gadadhar and Radha Gopinath, somehow or other, he felt uneasy or whatever, disgusted, whatever. So that Pujari pushed Gadadhar with left elbow. And Gadadhar immediately come to my spiritual master in his bhajan kuti, complain about it. That time my Gurudev age 97-year-old. He was lying on the bed. He never come down, he is not able to come down alone. I was in the office, Gopinath Gaudiya Math, Mayapur office, because I was manager. I was looking after the daily activities. Then Gurudev when explained about it, that Pujari became completely astonished, and then he said, I made mistake. Then Gurudev says, go and ask forgiveness from the bottom of your heart, then you are able to stay in temple, otherwise deity will kick you out. Anyway, look what happened. As soon as he left from the Guru Maharaj Bhajan Kuti, I asked Gurudev, how you know? How you know what he did exactly? How you know? Then Gurudev, my spiritual master says, Gurudev says, Baba, Gadadhar came to me with full of tears. I am too old. I want to serve Gadadhar by my own hand, but I am too old. Or all of you are not taking care of my Gadadhar, Gaur Gadadhar deities properly. With that way, he has full of tears in his eyes, and he was telling me, and I felt, wow, means, is it possible? Is it possible? Gadadhar came. That means alive deities we have. This is true. You know, I saw whoever do anything wrong way to worship to our temple, after some time, deity kicked them out. So many pujari came and go. First, nowadays looks like 2 pujari is stable nowadays. Our Ramananda Prabhu and Premananda Prabhu. Ramananda, Premananda, 2 Prabhu. They are looking after our Gaur Gadadhar Radha Gopinath deities in Mayapur temple. Really, we can say alive deities of our Mayapur temple. Actually, it's all temple which is installed by pure devotee. Deity always alive because they did pran pratishtha. Pran pratishtha means when pure devotee touch deity, automatically deity appear. Deity spirit appear over there. How is it possible? When Ramchandra with his arrows make a Krishna's murti in Remuna village, Odisha Remuna village. At that time, Sita Devi has eagerness. That's a big history, but I have no time now. We can talk tomorrow about it. So, I think 1 minute time I cannot finish. So anyway, thank you very much. Tomorrow I will continue Harinam Chintamani. Also I forget that today is one of our great Acharyas appearance day, named Bhakti Vichar Jajavar Maharaj. I am going to send you by WhatsApp this Bhakti Vichar Jajavar Maharaj's brief biography, what I explained in English language. Please read it. And then you can realize how much powerful his dedication was. So follow his dedication and make yourself a devotee, real devotee of this lineage. Hare Krishna.